Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum pushed yesterday a little bit higher, has reached this Fibonacci target area that I mentioned to you. You might recall it from yesterday's video. I also posted it yesterday morning on Discord. The communication was that should the price reach 2,473, which is pretty much the first level here of the Fibonacci extension or target area that we were looking at yesterday, which is the first ideal target for White Wave 3 that was in the written update. And this might happen today or tomorrow, so it happened quite soon. Then I will add the next micro support area for Wave 4, which is what I've done now. But you see, yesterday when I provided the last update, we were watching for a move up to 2,473. Next happened, actually pushed all the way up to the 178.6 Fibonacci extension, which is all okay, you know. It extended quite a bit, but then already has seen a reaction to that Fibonacci extension area. And the price has already dipped into the support region that I communicated then late yesterday, late in the day, when we saw the price move up that much, or after moving up that much, I already provided a support zone. Not sure if I find it now, but I have now adjusted it. Yeah, so there was a support zone already communicated. The price has now reached this support area. So if we take a look at the shorter time frame on the micro level here, on the live chart actually, then you can see that the price pushed all the way up to the 178.6 extension. This is now a test for the bulls, but it's again a very sharp decline. So why do we track this? Why are we tracking this? So yesterday it looked as if the price might want to push higher. Okay, happened. Then we said, okay, ideally we see a reaction here. Okay, happened. And now the bulls need to show a reaction to this support area. Why is that so important? Because really it's about understanding if the market has put a substantial low in place already. I can tell you it doesn't really look like that with that sharp pullback, but it's only a 3-wave move down so far. And important is now to watch if the bulls can turn it around to the upside from this newly added micro support area, which is located between 2,415 USD and 2,452. So why is this support area so important? So I will take out this blue zone now, we don't need it anymore. But if we say that we have a chance to form a 5-wave move up, we need one more high obviously, and the price in wave 4 shouldn't really break below 2,415. So that means if we break below that level, I don't think this is a 5-wave move up, okay? So it's essentially just waiting and watching for these signals. If a 5-wave move up forms, it would be more clearly, more directly bullish. If the price breaks below 2,415, then we could still explore the idea of a B-wave pullback. So the upper support area I think is clear. So let me actually add another one for a possible B-wave pullback, because there are these two scenarios I'm tracking. First one is that actually a larger degree B-wave bottomed here already, and we could now use this as a jump off point, you know, to move to all-time highs. Well, that will take a while, but this here is a support area for this B-wave pullback between 2,258 and 2,351. So the price reacted to it, but so far, and that's what really counts, only in 3 waves. So that means a larger 3-wave move could unfold like an A, B, C structure. In this case then, in this yellow B wave, the price shouldn't break below the 78.6 retracement of the entire rally that happened. And that means lower support, let's say lower micro support, is located there. Okay, so at the moment we have a few Fibonacci levels to watch. You know, we've got this larger support area which already supported the price here on, when was that? On Thursday. Then we had a rally. For a 5-wave move up, the price should hold above the upper support area, so pretty much above 2,415. But if the price breaks below it, we could still watch the 2,352 level for alternative support, but then it would only be a 3-wave rally that we've seen, and that is typically not a great setup. But we could start this yellow C wave from there. And zooming out further will show you that I'm tracking this as a potential Elliott wave triangle. Yeah, I mean, this is not high confidence, but it's a pattern that I think does make sense, okay? So A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, and we could be in this E wave which again is an A, B, C structure. To confirm something much more bullish, I mean, much more work is needed. But essentially, whenever we see reactions to support levels, we want to understand, okay, what is now micro support, and can the bulls actually form a proper 5-wave move up? And this analysis shows you what we need to see. Pretty much the bulls need to turn up before breaking below 2,415. But as I said, this pullback already looks quite sharp. So be ready for a possible dip into the lower support region. But if also the price breaks below 2,352, well, that means the price has failed even a temporary upside reversal. And the price, is likely still in this move down, maybe even a more directly bearish scenario. But what really counts now is, can the bulls react to one of these support levels? And if not, then I will send an updated count through later today. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.